In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Bangla talking video using Gemini Veo3. This tool is a fantastic way to create engaging content, and I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in using this software to produce your own videos. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Gemini on your device and log into your account. If you're accessing it for the first time, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll see a range of options tailored to help you in creating the content you need. Now let's move on to selecting the video generation feature. This is where the magic happens. Gemini offers various tools, but for today, we'll focus specifically on creating a Bangla talking video. Navigate through the dashboard until you find the video generation feature. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you should find this quite straightforward. Once it's selected, you're ready to proceed to the next exciting step. Crafting your prompt is the heart of this process. This is where you'll communicate what you want your video to depict. Consider what message you want to convey and how you wish to engage your audience. Type out the text that you want to be narrated in Bangla, keeping it concise yet effective. Remember, clarity is key, as this will directly influence the outcome of your video. Take your time to refine your prompt, adding necessary details to ensure that the generated video aligns with your vision. With your prompt ready, it's time to submit it into the system and wait for the video to be generated. This is the exciting part, where Gemini takes your text prompt and begins to work its magic, converting it into a talking video. It may take a moment or two, so be patient while the software does its work. Use this time to gather any additional materials you might need once the video is ready. Once your video is generated, it's imperative to review the result thoroughly. Play the video back, listening carefully to ensure the narration matches your expectations and the visuals align with your desired outcome. If you're satisfied with what you see, you can then move on to export or share your video. Gemini gives you the flexibility to save it in various formats or upload it directly to your preferred platforms. Sharing your creation has never been easier, and there you have it. A complete guide to generating a Bangla talking video using Gemini Veo3. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create engaging and impactful content. Thank you for walking through this process with me today, and I hope you now feel equipped to create amazing videos on your own. Don't forget to explore other features Gemini offers, and happy creating!